Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the quotient rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to 8 over b. So if I do first the derivative of this one, we need to do first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b minus we need to do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. So in this one we can apply in here, and that should be like this. So this one that is about 2x. This one that is about cosx. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. We can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So we need to do first the derivative of 8. Later that we multiply by b, and then we need to do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we can apply the formula in here. This one that is about negative sinx. This one we can do first the derivative of negative 2x multiplied by e to the power of negative 2x plus 1. So this one that is about negative number 2. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.